Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shortcut to your computer in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Docs app, and here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just find the document that we want to make accessible from our computer as well. Then we just tap on the three dots next to its name, scroll down, and then tap on add shortcut to Drive, and then we select computers. And here, if we have our computer added, we can select that and create a shortcut there that leads us to this file. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.